My name is Adedinsola Ogungbeson. For the MLH Web3 Hacks this weekend, I present to you into the Cairoverse. So right here I have, we're going to predict if a number, if it's 0 or 1. So the image here shows the 0. So we're going to use Open Neural Network Exchange to predict that it's the 0. But it's not just that. We are also going to use Cairo to do that. We are also going to integrate Cairo to do that. So to make it more valuable, or to make it more decentralized. And so if I run this particular code here now, if I run it, let's enlarge. Just give it a minute. It takes a bit of time to come. There we are. So we are giving a link to where to run our action. So it basically lose a dashboard which was provided by Giza CLI. So this is now my dashboard. Now I can just click to run it from here. Quick run. And I had a lot of help from the Giza community, because I could not come up with it on my own. It really helps me in setting it up, and so yes, I had fun programming and sharing their thoughts with them, having talks with them. So if we to go to the run, okay, this is it here. We can basically see the runs that I've made before that failed and the one that passed. Because the initial code we started with had issue for the fact that the Cairo, when we make predictions with Cairo, it was giving us error. If we can check the log. Yeah, so pre-process image prediction with Cairo. From the log, we see that it's stating that cannot infer the type of non-type. So it's basically telling us that the model for the Cairo is giving none. It's giving a null value. So it's not actually predicting it. It's not actually predicting it as we prefer it is. While the ones that we did so by how I was able to debug it was that I had to rearrange the code to log statements of the result was given, and after it has been carried out, so we were able to see that it was giving null. But for ONNX, where is it? Okay, these are all. These are all for Cairo. Yes, for the one for ONNX, the one that we completed. Was able to predict the digits as 0. Was able to predict it as 0. So my process and that. And the one we are running. Oh, it is even finished. It's completed. So we can rush back to our dashboard. Yeah, you can see it is completed. But the only difference is that it's going to give us none. So obviously there might be a mismatch between the ONNX and Cairo, because the Cairo that we are using is just we are trying to fit in ONNX with Cairo. But I didn't stop here. For real world example, is lifetime, 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 is lifetime payment. So basically what we're trying to do is to forecast age lifetime repayment, using Cairo. But obviously I've not been able to fully set that up yet, and I've not been able to fully set that up yet, although my can see my notebook here in which we've prepared the data, and also we've generated the files for all the data and how we are going to forecast it. But by the time I start running tests, I have errors. So that's basically what I have for this. So thank you very much for joining.